Hi there. In this video, I'm going to be giving you some nouns with the suffix ish. So I'm going to meet my friends this evening and let's say about seven-ish. About seven-ish. So this means at the time of 7 o'clock, but not exactly 7 o'clock. It could be about 10 minutes to 7. It could be 5 minutes to 7. It could be 5 minutes or 10 minutes after 7. But around the time of 7. So we are meeting at 7-ish. I'm looking at a lady's hairstyle in a magazine and I try to describe it to somebody and I say her hair is brownish or her hair is reddish. So in this example, maybe it's not completely red or not completely brown. It might look slightly red and slightly brown. And so when it's not an exact color, we can say that this is reddish or brownish. Maybe we're talking about a type of animal. So we could describe a dog to somebody and we could say it was a smallish breed of dog. So not one of the very smallest dogs, but certainly not a big dog. It was a smallish sized dog. Another one could be that you're talking about making food. Perhaps you watch a cookery video on how to make a pizza or to make some bread, and you're rolling out the dough to make the pizza or the bread, and in the video it tells you to roll it into a squarish shape. So a squarish shape. That means, of course, you cannot make it exactly square because you're just using your hands, but it will look something like a square. So it's a squarish shape. And the last one is the word sharpish. Sharpish. Now sharpish is actually really quite different because sharpish means to be immediately done, to do something right now. So for example, there's a father and he's angry with his naughty son and he says, "Go to your room sharpish." And when he says this, it means do what I say right now, immediately, with no delay whatsoever.